About this item: cable length micro HDMI to HDMI adapter 8-inch, 20 cm. Note: this HDMI cable is micro HDMI to HDMI female, type D male to type A female. Please confirm it is micro HDMI port on your device. Not for Android phone and iPhone. High speed micro HDMI to HDMI cable, D to A type, meets the latest HDMI standards, 4K video at 60 Hz, 2160p, 48-bit/px color depth, that supports bandwidth up to 18 Gbps and backwards compatible with earlier versions. Ultra-durable gold-plated connectors ensure stable and reliable signal transmission. Fall and nylon braided shielding can reduce electromagnetic interference. Wide compatibility: this micro HDMI to HDMI adapter is compatible with GoPro Hero 7 Black, Hero 6, Hero 5, Hero 4 Silver, Hero 3 White, Hero 3 Plus, GoPro Hero 2018, Raspberry Pi 4, Sony A5000 Handycam, Sony A6500, A6000, A6400, A73, A7S camera, Nikon B500, Canon EOS M50 in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: cable length micro HDMI to HDMI